Okay, we just caught another swarm. Someone's house. We're not sure if we've got the queen. Sort of just was hanging off a low branch in the middle of a bush in someone's front yard. So we basically just shook him in. We only got to rubber band a bit of the brood, but we saved as much as we can. We're going to try and get this taped up into another frame.
Yeah.
So we're just hoping that we've got the queen. We don't know at this stage. I always put a bit of lemongrass oil in the box itself, just to sort of keep them interested. They love the smell of it, so we've made a mess in the box.
There's a couple fanning there, which usually means to get the scent of the queen.
At the front of the entrance. Is that what you're looking at, Pete?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That and on the top too.
Right. Okay. So we're hoping.
Chances are.
It's a good chance. Okay. So this is going to be interesting. We've got our other hive right next to it.
Yeah.
We're hoping they get too upset by the visit. But they seem to be okay.
Should be we'll be taking some of these frames out too and putting them in.
We might could have given them a frame of honey. We'll just see how they go. We might not actually need to.
Yeah.
Because we obviously lost a lot of the bees at the swarm that we couldn't transport back here. Normally it's probably best to leave a box at the site for a day or two. They get used to the box, they all go in, go at night and retrieve the box at night, and they're all in there, and you get a pretty good majority of the whole colony.
They didn't have, looked like they weren't there for very long. Like there was only just a bit of brood, like what you see there, and pretty much no honey. So
a little bit of honey in there.
Yeah.
A little bit in there, but not much.
There's the other bits of comb.
So they had a bit of food stores. It's just a shame that we're going to have to get rid of some of this capped brood.
Yeah, if you guys have any ideas on what we could do with this stuff that we can't put into frames, leave it down in the comments.
Pete, we're going to need more rubber bands.
Yep.
Try and rub. Hey, Lan, can you get us some more rubber bands? Don't come over here.
Yeah, there's certainly a...
Might be able to...
Not too happy.
Probably overthinking it, but I always like to save some of their brood if we can. It does make a mess in the hive. We've still got 2 original frames.
And this one in the
the
bottom.
other box there, which just
gonna have
so
to take
hard
them
to
out.
inspect. So at some stage we're going to have to get rid of them.
Yeah.
So it might seem a little cruel that we're messing with a bee swarm, but if we didn't do it, it probably would have got sprayed and killed completely. So as much as, we were keen, but I wouldn't say we were overly keen to do it, but I always wanted to have 2 hives anyway, just so I can manage them a little bit better if I have to, or you get a colony collapse of some sort, or don't know, still learning on the whole thing. But
wow, a lot of them are fanning. They've definitely.
Yep, they look like the queen's in there, I reckon. If we can just get some more rubber bands, you might have to pause it a little, Pete. Get some rubber bands on this and just save some of this.
If you could, I'll just set it down. Here you go, set it in. I'll go get some rubber bands. Okay.
Go around that end.
they're not very.
Yes. Keep going.
Alright. Okay. There's a drone. That's pretty cool. See if we can get a picture of that. Where'd he go now?
I need some more bands, bro.
They're all really small. They're not
Come on, Pete.
They're so small. They're all really just gonna snap. I reckon that's not too bad.
Now, I do want to get in and get all those bits of honeycomb out.
They'll clean that up.
Oh, it's pretty messy, man.
Let me have a look. They'll take that out of the thing. They'll take all the stuff out and.
Here, hold that without, be careful because it's only just balancing.
Yeah.
Forgot something. Oh, what am I going to do anyway? I have to get in there.
Yeah, just take potato paper out.
Yes, I see all this blue sort of collapsed. Shit. Oh, that's just going to make a huge mess.
Pull it out if it's no good.
We're going to have to fix this. Oh, there's a snail in there.
And I guess any of this honey that's been left in those comb that we can't put in a frame, we can just leave it out and both hives will clean that up.
The main thing is that the queen's in there and we haven't hurt her or anything. She hasn't been accidentally squashed. Probably overthinking it. They can probably clean that up themselves.
Yeah, that'd be alright.
So we'll get this one in because that one's pretty good. And it would be nice to get move that rubber band across here, Pete. That one.
Okay.
And even this blue one. This that one across.
Alright.
Alright, let's just try and do this properly.
Yeah, try to get that one in.
Wait, Pete, you have to. That's all right. Not sure how that's going to go, man.
Well, one frame will be enough to keep them in there.
Yeah, I know, but you know, I do like to save as much as I can. If you can.
Sorry for the wait, guys. Just got to get this rubber bands in. Okay, that's pretty good.
It's reasonable.
Okay. You might as well leave that out since we're going to be putting those. We are going to put those honey and
I don't think we really need to do anything yet. I think just let them go. That's not going to be real good.
what?
Just with the stuff being everywhere. Smoker.
Hopefully we can get some of those back in the
Really sure that they know to go back into the
going
hive.
everywhere. Okay.
Okay, so it's all shut up now. We've got their just going to have to leave this as is. Heat caps buried there. It's a bit unfortunate, but
Yeah.
can't do much about it. Just really sit it up like that, can't we, you know, and just see what happens from there.
Maybe take some of this honey stuff out too.
Yeah, no, leave it in the bowl,
Yeah.
the box.
Yeah, that will do that.
That'll be fine. Okay.
Alright. Thanks for watching, and hopefully our next video will be our extraction video. Definitely getting ready for it. There's lots of honey in our second box here.
It just depends if we have to strengthen this other one now.
Yeah.
This one's thrown a bit of a spanner in the works.
Alright, hope you enjoyed and found this informative.
Have fun.
See ya.